Ooh. This, how it will work? Can you pull, please? Ooh. Okay. Slowly, okay? So first we need a paper. We need a paper. It's a 12-inch paper. Yes. Then we have to mark.
Thank you so much.
Then mark in every half inch. This is one.
4. Can you make a 4?
Can you make a 4? Yeah, 4. 4 and half. Then 3. Then 3 and half. 2. 3. Like fold here, then fold here.
Then we need a glue.
Then we need a glue. Exactly.
Papa, now we need a glue.
You need a glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
She knows everything. Now we need a
Glue.
glue.
So we need a glue.
So we need to glue it.
Yeah, glue it.
Glue it. Now, first hat, can you fix it? Can you fix it enough? Ooh. Stick. Yes.
Stick.
Then stick it. Stick everything. Stick everything. Then, can you help me in sticking?
Yeah.
Stick it.
Stick it.
Then again, stick it.
Stick it.
Then again, stick it.
Stick it. We need more heart.
We need more heart. Of course, we need more heart. Can you do it? Stick it.
लिया उसका पास से.
Then
We need more heart.
we need more heart. We don't have anything.
In this entire world, we need more heart. Oh,
Okay, now give it a shape. आपका small scissor घूम गया? कोई बात नहीं. Now give it roughly a shape. घूम गया? Can you fix it? And we'll put like this and lift the first. And हम लोगों को इसको fix करना है. We need to fix it here. So we just remove the excess. We add some glue here. Some glue. We don't need more. No more.
yes, auntie.
Can you do it?
Okay.
Can you do it? Can you?